குழந்தைங்க ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். பிறந்த நாளே குழந்தைகள் தினமாகும் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். விருங்கதான் வாங்க இந்தியாவே தூங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம். Morning everyone, my name is Tisha from the school. I resist as Bhagat Singh. Baba Sundar, great fighter. Bhopal's fearless leader. Good morning everyone. I am Jawaharlal Nehru. I am the first Prime Minister India. My birthday celebrated in this day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Nanda Veeranaachar Veeramangai Vande Mataram Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning. Was on this one church. Here India is Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Jhansi Rani. I am freedom fighter. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone.
I am Indira Gandhi. I was the first
woman Prime Minister of India.
President of India.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Thank you. I want Subramanian Balalyan. நான் தமிழ் கவிஞர் சுமந்திரன் போராட்ட வீரர் நானா வேலாச்சா வீரமங்கை வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றிவேல்
வீரவேல்
வீரவேல்
வந்தே மாதரம்
வந்தே மாதரம்
வந்தே மாதரம்
வந்தே மாதரம்
வந்தே மாதரம்
வந்தே மாதரம்.
நன்றி.
நன்றி. Morning everyone. I am
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
I was
I was a first
woman Prime Minister
woman Prime Minister India. Of India.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose
Subhash Chandra Bose
was freedom fighter.
His nickname is
His name is
Netaji.
Netaji.
His famous slogan,
His name is Roman.
give me blood,
Glory blood.
I will
I will
give you freedom.
give you freedom.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone.
Bhagat Singh
Bhagat Singh
was a brave boy.
was a great boy.
He was
He was
born in
Molly
Punjab.
Punjab.
He
He loves
India.
India.
He fought
He fought
against the
against the
British.
British.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone.
My name
My name
is
is
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
People call me
People call me
Netaji.
Netaji.
I love India.
I love India. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.